Hi everyone, welcome to Talk Primary Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. Now for this week video, we'll be talking about P6 Tao Nan SA1 2022 question 12. So let's start. Okay, so this is the question. So we first interpret the question. In the diagram below, CDEF is a square and XP is equal to XY equal to XJ equal to PJ. So PJ is parallel to DE and it is perpendicular to XY. So we need to find the angle PYJ. So let's put in the information into the diagram. So we have a square here, CDEF. So which means that all the sides will be equal. Now next thing we know is XP. So XP, this length here, will be equal to XY, the whole length here, will be equal to XJ, will be equal to PJ. So PJ will be parallel to DE. So this is parallel to DE. Okay, so and it is also perpendicular, so which means that it will be a right angle. So our job is to find angle PYJ. Okay, so we already interpret the question and it's very easy. This is actually an angle question. So this is how we identify the concept. So now let's start to implement the steps. So when we see a lot of equal length, there's a few things that comes to my mind. So the first thing that comes to my mind will be like isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. So why I need that is because you notice that there's a limited angles that mentioned to us, only a 90 degree. So one of the things that they can actually tell you in terms of angles, but using words, will be equilateral triangle. So let's try to find them. So I know that this is actually 60 degree because our triangle XPJ is equilateral triangle. Okay, so from here to here will be 90. The 60 will be 60. Now, if you focus on triangle X to this point, to J, so let me just highlight. So if I want to focus on this triangle, okay, so I can find this angle here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to find angle JXY. So this will be taking 180 degree minus, we can minus away this 90 degree, then minus away our 60 degree. So this will be giving me, this is 90 minus, so we'll get a 30 degree. So I'm using sum of angle in the triangle. Angles in a triangle. Now it's a good practice to write down the reasoning. If you are not writing down for primary school level, PSLE is okay. But when it comes to higher level at secondary school, then it's actually a requirement to write down the reasoning. Okay, so I'm going to use another color to put in the information that I've calculated. So this is 30 degree. Now I'm going to change the thing that I'm looking at. So instead of looking at this blue triangle, I'm going to erase the highlighting of this. Let's focus another triangle. So now I want to focus on, let's use another color, this triangle here. This triangle here. Okay, so we know that this length and this length, our XJ and XY, they are equal. So we're gonna have a iso triangle, right? Isosceles triangle XYJ. Okay, now this 60 degree is only until here, from here to here. Okay, now with this angle as 30, we will be able to find this angle here. So angle XYJ. So angles XYJ will be using 180 degree minus away our 30 degrees. Then we divide by 2. So this will give me 150 degree divided by 2, so I'm going to get 75 degree. The reason is because of iso triangle. Okay, so this means that this part will be 75 degree. Okay, now the good thing about doing this part of the triangle is, if you look at XPY, it's the same triangle as XYJ. So that means that this angle here will also be 75 degree. So to get to our PYJ, which is the requirement of the question, we just need to take 75 degree multiplied by 2. So we're going to get 150 degree. Okay, so this will be my answer for this question. Okay, so we already implement our step. So now comes to inspection. What we do is we ensure that our calculation didn't make any mistake. We are using the correct number to do our calculation. Okay, we read the question carefully, so no transfer error. So that is the best that you can do for your inspection for this question. Okay, so that's all for this question. So don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel Conceptual Thinkers, our Facebook Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub, and also look at our TikTok Conceptual Thinkers SG. So feel free to share your question. You can put your comments in the box below and we will actually get back to you. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.